Hey, it's Katie bringing you today's deal on the solar LED candle light. Now this is going to be your new favorite lantern to display all around the outside of your house because it gives off a realistic flickering flame effect. That means you don't have to worry about an actual open flame. It's completely safe and cool to the touch. But the best part about it is that it's solar powered. So you're gonna go ahead and leave it out all day, and then once the sun goes down, it's going to completely illuminate. Now there's a couple different ways that you can display this. You can simply hang it on the shepherd's hook and align it along your driveway, patio, pathways, even your garden. You can even take it off the hook and just place it on a tabletop to create a nice evening glow. Now these are made out of a really durable material and also feature a nice rustic brush finish on top. But what I absolutely love about these is the quality glass panels on the side, so they're going to look amazing no matter where you put them. Now these are completely solar powered, so you don't have to worry about any cords or wires, but in order to turn them on, you're gonna have to open the top, flip the switch, and then you'll be able to place it wherever you'd like. These look absolutely amazing no matter where you put them around your home, and I know you're going to want to grab more than just one. Now we do have a fantastic deal on these, and remember, when you buy more, you save more, so head on over to our site and grab yours today.